Today we're showing you a 2012 New Holland T4.75. Tractor is the Powerstar series. It's four-wheel drive with cab, heat and air. Has a New Holland 635 TL quick attach front loader. The bucket is skid steer style quick attach. It's got a nice bucket on it. A couple cosmetic flaws up front here. Got a couple surface scratches here in the bottom of the hood. And then we also repaired the hood right here in the front left corner. I had a little bit of damage there that we did repair. Otherwise, the tractor is in very nice condition cosmetically. Mechanically, the tractor starts, runs, and works as it should. There are absolutely no known issues. Tractor's been through our shop. It's been serviced. It's ready to go. It does have the telescopic 3-point arms, 540 and 540E PTO. Dual hydraulics back here. Also has the stabilizer bars on the 3-point arms. Overall, the paint's in really nice shape on the tractor and loader, other than the couple spots we showed you there. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here, no funny smells. To the left of the seat here is the 540E PTO selector. Has the Deluxe air ride seat here for the operator. Buddy seat here for a passenger. Has tilt steering wheel. Left-hand power shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. Down below you've got the clutch and brake pedals. If you notice, there's hardly any paint off of those pedals. Differential lock back here. Tractor has the 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges and park on the lever down below, and then your primary transmission stick is up top here, which is 4 gears that are all synchronized. Loader control right here within easy reach. On the control console you've got the 3-point PTO and hydraulic levers. Also have your 4-wheel drive switch and your hand throttle right there within easy reach. On the cab post you have the climate controls, light switches, wiper switches, and radio. Up top you've got the visibility roof that does tilt open. Also has a sun visor there. It's a very clean tractor. This tractor is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so this tractor has none of the Tier 4 emission controls on it. Very low hour tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.